Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix loud fan noise on any laptop at all, even on gaming laptops too. Acer, Predator, Asus, Dell. So for the sake of this video I'm not going to enable noise cancellation on my mic so that you can actually hear the loud fan noise of this laptop. So the first thing is to install throttle stop. Throttle stop is a great software to undervolt your laptop CPU, but even if you don't want to undervolt your laptop CPU, there's a feature called FIVR which allows you to tweak the clock speed of your laptop. For example, here my laptop can go up to 4.5 GHz turbo boost. Let's be honest, I'm not going to use 4.5 GHz to watch YouTube videos or to check stuff on the internet. If you want your fan noise to reduce, you have to reduce the clock speed. I set mine to 3.0 GHz, but this might not be powerful for other tasks. Anytime you want to do something demanding, you can come here and set it back to 4.5 GHz. But sometimes I do play games with 3.0 GHz and I don't even notice the difference because most games are GPU demanding, not CPU. Now the second step, okay, I have to point out that if you reboot your laptop, your throttle stop is going to stop running in the background. You have to relaunch it. So I have a tutorial on how to make throttle stop boot with Windows. So click the first link in the description if you want to do that. The second step is to turn off cool boost. Most laptops have a particular unique software where you can tweak their settings, enable overclocking and all those shenanigans. For Acer, they call it Nitro Sense. For Predator, they call it Predator Sense. For Asus, I think Asus call their own Armory Crate, if I'm correct. So I am using Predator Helios 300. So there's a software called Predator Sense. I'm going to launch it. This might be different from your own laptop too, so you just have to look for it. But if you don't have it, the throttle stop tweak can work for you. So when you launch your Predator Sense, you're going to go to fan controls and turn off this thing that says cool boost. So listen carefully, let me turn it off and you can see the difference in fan noise. As you can see, it reduced the fan noise significantly. So you have to look for, if you are using Asus, you have to look for it in Armory Crate. Most of this laptop come with it enabled by default. So, but if you have an ordinary Acer laptop, they do come with something called quick access. You can also find the cool boost settings over there. So it's basically the same thing. So this is how you fix loud fan noise on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials like this. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.